you holding on to the stack of papers? Oh, okay. Can you return? So we are now on chapter 3, modulus function, exercise 3.3, part 2, question 4d. Now, I'd like to start the lesson by, Orlando, by referring you to the notes. Now, let's look at the notes together. Now, what does this say? Aretina, it says that when there is a minus outside, what do? I reflect on the x-axis. I repeat, when there's a minus outside the function, I reflect on the x-axis. Now, let me write out the question for you. Alright, so I write down exercise. I'm sorry, I use blue color. This is exercise 3.3, part 2, question 4d. Let me try to recall. It's like that, right? Then x, help me, minus 3 or plus 3? 3 minus x. Now, very important, all look up. Please look up first. Let me talk, then later on, then you digest. Last one to look up is Xing Hui and Nigel looking her. Now, so can you write down? The first thing I want to draw is actually 3 minus x. Can you write this down as a correction? Now, many of you, first step is to include the negative sign outside the modulus. Wrong. So first thing you draw is just the function itself. Second thing you draw is the modulus. Now, what about the third thing? Then the minus outside. Is it clear? Now, let me use correction as a green color. Now, first thing I draw a table, x and y. Make it thicker. Wow, so thick. Thinner. Now, if this is, what point do you use? I remember you all use negative 3, 0, 3, 6, right? So I look at 3 minus x. This will be 3, 0, minus 3, right? Minus 3. Now, into shape, I draw a line, boom, never becomes straight line, bluff me. Okay, now, so this is 3, this is 3, this is 6, comma, negative 3. Everyone okay with the first graph? Xing Jiaxuan, are you okay with the first graph? Are you? Yeah, the negative outside the modulus do at the last step. So everyone okay with the green graph? Yes. Now the second graph, let me use a blue color to draw. Now, blue graph means I want to flip what? The bottom of the, below the x-axis, upward or downward? Upward. So if I were to draw, I will be able to draw something like that. Are you okay if I combine together? Are you confused? Can I check who is confused? Nobody confused, So the blue line like come down, same line, then it flip up. So now instead of negative 3 on the y, now become positive 3. Yes? It's okay. So you just agak-agak. So you know it's the same line and then go up. Now the last one, I use a red color. But now, maybe I choose to draw another one. Now, so if I have the axis here, looking at the blue one, zoom out a bit. Looking at the blue one. Now, if minus, it means I will reflect the graph on the x-axis. I don't care whether upward or downward. Look at the blue graph. The 90 tick is on top. If I reflect on the x-axis, means what? The 90 tick will be below. So therefore, my final graph looks like that. And only 2 of you got it correct. But it doesn't matter. Now you know you won't make the mistake in O-level. Can I stop the video here? Anyone need me to explain anything? No, 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 no. How many drafts do I draw? Only one, the red one. So somehow, if you can come up with this, which the two of them did, without any working, you still get full mark. But what is the coordinate you need? You need the endpoint. Minus 3, 0, comma, minus 3, and 6, comma, negative 3, and the intercept. So these 3 points. So shape is 1 point. The intercept is 1 point. The endpoint is 1 point. 3 marks like that, exam. It's a bit confusing because all look at the same, either a Nike tick, upward or downward or leftward or rightwards. So it looks like that. Any questions? It's not stupid. So how do I get the coordinate? I use a highlighter. I look at the original graph. This is my y. So I put 0 inside this equation. Alright, 3 minus 0 is 3. Rather you ask now, then when mid-year you ask. 3 I put inside the same equation, the green equation. Not the blue one, not the red one. Alright, so don't go and expand the minus sign inside or whatsoever. In the example, if there's a plus 4 outside the equation, do you do the plus 4? No, 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 no. The plus 4 is just shifting up. Do later, do later. Draw the primary function first. Clear? Good. Any other question before I stop the video? No. Good. Alright. Thank you. Please keep your exit.